Hi folks, I am Darla Aki, the marketing specialist for Mitsubishi Digital Electronics, and we are standing here in the Mitsubishi booth at the PMA 2009 show in lovely Las Vegas. We are showing our full line of products that we have, the photo kiosks, photo systems, and the photo printers for on-site event printing. Today we're going to walk you through the booth, talk to a couple of our sales reps who are going to talk to you about the products that we have, the applications that they're used in. We're also going to talk to two of our photographers who use our printers for on-site printing, doing events. They are photographer Neil Clipper on the East Coast and Terrell Lloyd on the West Coast, who use a lot of our products in their business. We're also going to show you some footage from a phenomenal contest that we sponsored here at PMA with a troupe called Anti-Gravity. They are an acrobatic group. We did a contest for people to come out and shoot them live and in action, and then we printed out the best shot, and the winner got a chance to come to PMA free of charge next year in 2010, and we also gave them a CP9800 DW printer, and you'll see why Mitsubishi printers really are the best in the business.
What I'm going to talk to you today about is our Click 5000 system. It's a behind-the-counter kiosk operational item. It is allowed for a customer to come to your stores and be able to process the prints from a customer service relationship, to build that relationship that we seem to have lost a little bit along the way with autonomy of certain systems. We offer you a friendly, intuitive, simple-to-use system with a touchscreen and keyboard-operated system as well. What you see here is a screen that allows you to store information, upload information, and even burn to a CD or DVD for upsell features, if you will. Currently what we offer, for instance, is a photo studio, is what we call it. It allows you to store the information and drive. We have multiple folders that we can load it into. So if you have a company that comes to you, a corporate event that has them, or maybe a regular customer that comes to you, you can always load them on a specific folder for that specific application or job, if you will, and be able to upload the images and call them up at your discretion. At this point, this is what we call our browser. Again, very simple. It tells the operator what this is, and he has a multitude of functions available for them. They can actually preview an image by just touching on the screen or using the mouse to do so. They can preview it if they wanted to. This allows them to actually see the picture, and then makes you look at the cropping capability. So for instance, if this is a 4:6, where am I cropping out, if you will, if it's designed for an 8:10 image. I can also be able to delete that image if I don't want to and not have it there anymore. I can burn a CD, which again is an upsell feature. You're going to be able to get a return on your investment much quicker because you now have the ability to upsell your customers. In addition to burning a CD for upsell, you have adjustments that you can do. If your colors have been off, the camera that was taken with wasn't properly lit, you can adjust that through auto brightness, auto color, auto functions, and then go in there and also change it to sepia, black, white, if you will. And then retouch it, maybe red eye reductions, you want to crop some of that image, if you will. The basic Photoshop elements that you have on this system. Again, simple to use though. I don't need it to be complicated because I want to be able to get processing as quickly as possible. In addition to that, I do have upsell features such as arch and borders. So non-proprietary to the sense that you can add your own. You can add frames, calendars, and I'll go in there and I'll take a picture. I'll take the one with the soccer field, if you will, and what we'll do is we'll click on the arch and border and load the image for me. At this point, I can add a background. I can do some clip arts. I can actually do a calendar, which is a great feature if somebody comes to you with, in this case, a soccer picture of a son. You can upsell your customers and say, would you like an 8:10, 8:12 on a calendar format? Again, a higher value for you to offer to your customer base. This system allows you to do 4:6, 5:7, 6:9, 8:10, 8:12. It's a lot, and yet we don't require that much space. Right now, what you see here is our 4:6, 5:7 print combination, our 8:10, 8:12. High volume output for you so that you don't have to worry about how many printers I needed to. But if you needed to add it, it's adaptable to multiple printers. We actually can add up to 5 printers to the system. And again, it's a reliable product. It's Mitsubishi. We're known for reliability. We have built product that is designed to last. We have a great program for you, a great warranty program, so that we can support you if that situation arises. But again, with the way Mitsubishi designs its products, it's as most robust as you will ever find in the market. This model here is my 9550 DW-U printer. This printer is designed for 4x6, 5x7, 6x9 capabilities. It is a dry process, easy to use, eco-friendly system where there is no chemicals to maintain, no print costs to amortize, because all of it is inclusive in one system. It allows you to print at speeds of 16 seconds for low output or 8 seconds on a model that we have for higher volume. But it is a robust system that is designed for footprint traffic to be very minimal space usage. Over here I have my roll-fed 8x10 printer with a print speed of 30 seconds. It is designed for prints of upsell features, but I can give you an 8x12 with an 8x10, 8x8, 8x6, and 8x4. So I have a multitude of print sizes that I can do. With these two printers, I can encompass all the printing needs you need for that digital photography the customer wants to develop. The Mitsubishi dye sublimation printers have the ability to have you use minimal time in doing any kind of maintenance. It is designed for you to be able to install a ribbon and paper that go hand in hand together without having you to worry about what I have to spill, what toner do I have to use. It's a dry process. What that means is there are no chemical, no jet, if you will, from an inkjet solution comparisons, where it allows the print head to equally balance the amount of image being disposed at the same time. Where an inkjet, you have mechanical possibilities that can go wrong. With our system, you don't have that problem because of a thermal head. It is all heat transfer, which allows it to be a cleaner, faster print speed and a great quality print. This is my DPS Kiosk 7000 model. This device, or this system, excuse me, is designed for retail environments such as a pharmacy, a convenience store, maybe even a supermarket that wants to attract more customers. In the previous past, we had the chemical labs that were offering it. As they went by the side and digital became more prominent, people looked for a solution to keep autonomy for the customers on their digital prints and allow them to have a small footprint in their retail stores to be able to have a return on investment at a quicker cost. The 7000 can be equipped with 3 printers, 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10 solution. We offer them in a model in which allows convenience for you to put them at your own counter or in a stand, with either versions of this nature, which has a built-in scanner door for it, and we allow the 4x6, 8x10 solution to be housed in it. And then we also offer a smaller footprint unit that allows your stores to maintain a small space of your retail locations with 5x7, 4x6 solutions. But again, we could add an 8x10 printer as well. So we give you the full, complete solution to be able to upsell your customers from an entry level of 4x6 to 5x7 and 8x10. It can give you calendars, it can give you frames. You can add your own, so if you make it proprietary to your store, you can have it. They can be connected to other kiosks within the Mitsubishi family, such as a Click 5000, so that if your customers come into the store and are in a hurry to get their prints done, they can submit their orders through the kiosk and submit it to our Click 5000, making it a networkable system and allowing you more pull-through of your customers.